Hello, my friends. This is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. I am back. It's been a while, and I've been a little quiet, but to explain that, my mother passed away a few months ago, and so I needed some more quiet time and to take care of business. But I'm feeling good about painting and sharing with you again. So let's do this. So today, I'd like to show you I put up some of my blooms up on the wall. And let's see if I can get you around this wall over here. Let's see. So I just love to look at all the prettiness. Anyway, I do love the blooms. I do love the swipes. Now I'm crooked. Okay, well, this is one that I really love, and I want to make it again, except bigger. So I have a 14 by 14, which I will be doing today, and I couldn't find the video of how I created this, so I do have the colors. I write the colors on the back like that, in case I forget. And so I will try to recreate this for you, okay? So let me get you down to the canvas. See you in a bit. All right, we are down here at the canvas. This is a 14 by 14. Let me show you my colors. First, we'll be using a Cerulean Blue. And then we have a turquoise, which I made a little bit lighter. We have Amsterdam green blue. We have a ultramarine blue, and we have lime green, and then this is yellow and gold mixed together. I'll be using oxide black activator. So let me put these back and we will get started. A few of these colors I just mixed up, so I hope it's not gonna add a lot of bubbles. Okay, open them up. How's everyone today? Today's gonna be a hot one here. Well, I mean, that's relative, right? Well, I'm in the Napa, California today. We're gonna be 95, so that's hot for me. I prefer cooler weather. Okay, this pillow paint was working much better than what I was using before. Okay, let me torch for any bubbles. And let's do some. Ooh, there are bubbles. Torch didn't get them. All right. Kind of just going with the natural flow of what's going on there. Bubbles, 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 I see bubbles. pretty colors. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, that's nice. Except for all the white dots. That's pretty though. And one of my paints, I don't know if it's the green blue. I'm kind of thinking it's like it's not mixed well or something. I thought it was. That's pretty. Let me check the middle. There's still quite a bit of paint in there. Yeah, I love that. That's okay. Now, this is gorgeous. The white bubbles, I will have to work on popping some of those if I can. I can always fix those after the painting is dry. I use watercolor felt tips.